Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the video series called Built for This. Micah Morgan here with you today, and I wanted to address a question that I've gotten a couple times, and I know some of the other builders out there have also gotten, and that is Wausau Homes only a lake home builder, or do we only build vacation and lake homes? And the short answer to that is no. We build all sorts of homes, including lake homes and vacation homes. But for example, in the Illinois market, for us Illinois builders in particular, because that's where I'm from, I can easily speak to that. We build primary residences, not just an individual's second home or vacation home. We don't have a ton of lakes, necessarily smaller lakes in the Chicagoland area. Of course, there's the big lake of Lake Michigan. But the answer to that question is no, not just lake homes, not just vacation homes. We build all sorts of homes, and obviously you can find quite the variety of our floor plans on our website. But I wanted to give a quick example that I'm currently addressing right now, and that's I've got a build actually coming up in Michigan City, Indiana. And if you're familiar geographically, Michigan City, Indiana is right on Lake Michigan in Indiana. And it's funny because I tell people, yeah, hey, I've got a build coming up in Michigan City, and they'll ask, oh, is it going to be on the lake? Thinking Wausau Homes on the lake, or potentially just because Michigan City is right on the lake. And the answer to that question is no, this house is not right on the lake. In fact, it's about 5 miles inland. But the really cool thing is this is going to be on about 10 acres in a heavily wooded area that has been cleared out for this beautiful home that we're going to build for the Putnam family out in Michigan City. Super excited for that. But just wanted to give that as kind of a quick example of some of the things that we can do. And there's really nothing limiting us at Wausau Homes for any of us builders in terms of where we can and can't build, or in terms of what types of homes specifically that we can and can't build. But anyway, I just wanted to address that sort of rumor or myth that might be floating around out there as far as, what kind of homes does Wausau Homes build? Because I know that we certainly have a great tradition of building some awesome lake homes and vacation homes, but you know what? We can build the spectrum on various custom homes. So that answers that question. Thanks again for joining us today, guys. We will be back same time, same place next week. Again, encourage you, if you want to start a conversation with me or any of the builders with Wausau Homes Federation of Builders, please reach out to us. Find us on the website. But until next week, I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you then. Thanks.